Gross. Welcome to ZA Pokemon. We are back at it again with some more Shining Legends. I feel like we just can't get enough of this Shining Legends. There's just such cool cards in there. I'm pretty sure you're guaranteed a holo out of every pack, so that's pretty legit. Plus we got some more Lost Thunder dollar packs that we're going to be opening as well. So I will open this up and then we'll just kind of mix it up with what we're opening.
He was in the show too with the house.
Yep. Yep. Darkrai.
Yep. And now I remember that. I do remember it.
And I will be giving the code away in the video, so just stay tuned and I will just slide it in there nice and sneakily. So just keep watching and take that promo out.
That's cool! That's cool! Dun, dun. That someone bent that?
No.
What? It's racing up.
It's fine. So we go Mewtwo, and then Rayquaza.
Let's go that, and then that, and
Let's do a couple of these.
1, 2, 3, 4. No, we got two. We got two of these. Three of those, and now we got two of these. We got two. Get a shiny one. I want to get something. No way!
I have a Zillion. Okay.
Here's a card.
There's your code. 1, 2, 3, 4. What color?
Water.
Water?
Water too.
Water. Yeah. Fighting.
I want to be at the end. No. Meow meow. Not meow meow.
Reverse Minor and a Reshiram. Hello.
And we got a Razround with Charizard shiny.
Yeah, we did, huh? Hey, can I hold this? So you don't stab yourself again?
You can put it on your shirt ever you want.
I'm okay. Dollar pack garbage. Right?
Dollar pack garbage.
Okay.
Can I get another shiny one?
Color.
Water.
Water? Are you just gonna say water the whole time until we get one? Fairy.
I also like calling the pink one the pink.
Saw something good. You ready for this? Ready? Ready? Whoa! Look at that. Hey, easy there, Trigger. Easy. How about you just look so we can all look together? That is the Chase Mewtwo, the Chase card that everybody is looking for in this pack.
I know what that you do. You send in Pikachu.
Yep, like Detective Pikachu when he was in the little tank, huh?
And he comes back and he destroyed out of the tank.
Yep.
And I remember something like a new one was a Mewtwo and a Mewtwo one was the mean one and the mean Mewtwo and the Bulbasaur and the Charizard and Bulbasaur.
Well, you're really good at ruining movies, huh?
When people don't sing them.
Yeah. If you haven't seen it yet, then that's your problem currently, huh? Be easy with the pack. Hey. Don't bend it, okay?
Why can't bend them or buy them?
Because you're gonna ruin the card. What color?
Water. Water again. No.
Grass.
I'm gonna get something cool. No!
Dinosaur. Litten.
I'm not saying anything cool.
Reverse Bulbasaur. And a Zekrom.
No! I had that. It's not. Ooh, gone. And that. This is dynamic. Pokeball.
Yep.
And it's on mine too. Oh.
Whoa!
Whoa.
At least we got something from a dollar pack. There you go. Mag Cargo GX dollar pack pull.
I'm gonna have that one for you.
That last pack. Let's get this done.
Whoa! What is that Pokemon? Like the famous up
Okay.
water.
What color?
Water. Nah.
No luck on the water.
Whoa! No! And he
What?
has that's him.
From the show?
Uh-huh.
Yep.
And which Pokemon he had?
I don't know. And a Hoopa.
We got another Koopa?
Yep, Hoopa. Alright, everybody. Thanks for watching. Take a quick glance at our polls real quick. Whoa, whoa.
I have to show Mom these, all of them.
We'll show her in a little bit, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so... Hold on, where you going? We're not done. We got a Zekrom, the Chase Mewtwo GX from Shining Legends, Reshiram, Mag Cargo Dollar Tree pack, and a Hollow Koopa. Alright,
Hello, Koopa.
thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and if you liked the video, go ahead and leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next time on ZA Pokemon.